So estimates differ, but somewhere around there. I mean, the reason that people use those numbers is they look at the rock record, they look at stromatolites, and they look and see when were the earliest evidence of some sort of microbial life, and they can date those things in ways that are quite technical, and so that's really where those numbers come from. But it's somewhere around them. What's clear is that directionally life evolved very rapidly, going from nothing to a very complex cell in a very short period of time. So I don't think I know the answer to that. I mean, let's suppose. So in the worst case scenario, it could have started at the beginning of Earth, in which case you have 1 billion years essentially to evolve. Of course, it probably started later, in which case the evolution had to have been even more rapid, which is fine. I mean, the theory says that the evolution is rapid, and we see it rapid in the computer simulations. So, but exactly how to put numbers on that,
right.
That's something that's beyond the scope of our
So
theory.
that just is vexing if we're trying to put it on a timeline, but
well, you can't get that kind of answer that kind of question from the sort of analyses that we did. You'd have to have a theory for when, say, hydrothermal vents would have been around and what sort of era the Earth was in, and again, that's not something I'm an expert in.